I'm a blessing, a blessed, and a giver. I do the undoable. I make the unthinkable and seemingly impossible happen. I am a wind orchestrated by God to blow and take the world for God. I exude success, glory, and radiance. I can do anything I put my mind to. I take God's glory to places. People come to the knowledge of Jesus through me. I, as a product, shall scale uncontrollably. My growth shall not be stunted. Far beyond maturity stage into newer levels of growth. I am a force of change and success that people far and near shall fight to be reckoned with. I, like Father David, am a man who pursues God's heart and will accomplish all that God has destined me to do. I will do all God's pleasure. I am of the Lord, and He has given me faithful mercies that I can trust. He will bestow on me the grace and favor He gave to faithful David. And in my days, and through me, God will do something so wonderful that when it is announced, even I won't believe it. Amen.